Hey everyone, I'm Ruhul Amin. I bring you honest and in-depth product reviews, especially in the world of men's grooming. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss the best product insights. Now, let's get hands-on with the Soonsell Man-Cape Beard Trimmer, and see if it lives up to the hype. What's inside? Beard trimmer, body hair trimmer, face shaver, nose and ear hair trimmer, USB-C cable, comb attachment, lubricating oil, water-resistant hard travel case. Everything you need, neatly packed and ready to travel. That's what I call convenience. The intuitive zoom wheel replaces multiple attachments. With 20 length settings and 0.5mm increments, this trimmer is ideal for both sharp stubble and longer beard styles. With precision blades and a built-in LED light, grooming sensitive areas is safer and smoother. Plus, it's waterproof, so whether you're in the shower or out, you're good to go. Dual action blade, foil shaver, magnetic cover. This compact tool is perfect for quick morning routines. Great for guys who like a clean finish. One-touch control and ultralight design make this a must-have for your grooming travel bag. USB-C charging is a game-changer. Just plug it in anywhere. The power lasts long enough to groom your whole body twice. Pros: 4-in-1 versatility. LED display. Waterproof for wet/dry use. USB-C fast charging. Great travel case. All hair types supported. Cons: slightly heavier, 1.18 kilograms, than single-use trimmers. Needs oiling for best performance. For the price, this is one of the most feature-rich grooming kits on the market today. Ideal for men who want it all in one device. If you're serious about looking sharp from head to toe, the Soonsell 4-in-1 grooming kit is the one to beat. I'll leave the purchase link in the description so you can check it out yourself. Don't forget to like, comment below your grooming must-haves, and subscribe to Raminmark for more honest product reviews.